This will be the instructional for Call the Police. This is the first video, also known as number 1. I'm going to do it first, and then they're going to do it with me. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, you guys. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the whole dance, but I'm going to do all 4 walls. I'm going to slow it down a little. So you're going to step, step, together, step. Step, together, step. Come on, y'all. Step, step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you got to go back. You do right, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Then you do left. 3, 4. Then you do back. 5, 6. Then you come up front, left foot. 7, 8. To turn, you just turn. Kick your foot up and turn. And start all over. So now we're going to do this wall. This is a 4-wall dance. 5, 6 together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Call the Police. Video 1. Thank you. Get ready for video 2. And then the final one will be the remix Trail Riders Anthem. Thank you. Y'all tell them thank you.
Thank you.